Everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my left here, you're looking at one of our brand new styles when it comes to glass door refrigerators. Okay, commercial glass door refrigerator. This is going to be a 3 glass door. It'll also have glass display on the sides for this exact style. Okay, as we mentioned, you can use this for your supermarket or your business. You can use it for beverages or any other thing you want to go ahead and use it for. Now, before we get started on more, I do want to go ahead and measure the exterior of this unit. I'll also measure the inside for you. For your length, you're looking at a total of about 75.5 inches. For your depth, you're looking at a total of 28 inches. And the overall height, from bottom, very bottom to the top, you're looking at a total of 78 inches high. Okay, the unit does have wheels. Casters already included, installed, so it makes it easier for you to move it if you need to move it inside your business. Okay, now let's go ahead and show you the front, where you'll be able to locate your temperature control as well as a lighting switch and your system power switch. Okay, so the unit does have LED lighting, and I want to go ahead and show you that as we show you the inside. LED lighting is going to be located on the front corners of this unit. Okay, now you also will be provided with the shelvings. You have a total of 8 shelves for this unit, 2 sections. Okay, so 4 on this side, obviously 4 on the right side, 4 on the left side. So you're going to total up to 8 shelves for this unit. Also have draining on the inside for this refrigerator. So there's drains on the inside. You can go ahead and open up that cover and you can see your fans as well. Okay, so fans are going to be right there for this unit. Now, inside measurements. I want to go ahead and give you the inside measurements. Overall length, you're looking at a total of 72 inches. Front to back, you're looking at a total of 17.5. Just the shelf itself, you're looking at 14. Okay, so shelf length, you're looking at a total of about shelf length, you're looking at a total of about 35.5 inches. Okay, and also you can go ahead and adjust these shelves to whatever level you want them to be at. Okay, so they are adjustable. If you don't like the level that they're at right now, you can go ahead and adjust those shelves. Also, you will be provided with an instruction manual. So if you don't have no questions, or maybe you don't know how to use the unit, all the information is going to be on that booklet on how to properly use this unit. Okay, now if you follow me over to the back, on the back we'll be able to locate our plug. It is a standard US plug, runs on 110 volt. Also on the back we have a compressor located on the very bottom of this unit, and there's also a drain on the bottom. Okay, so we also have a sticker on the very top of this unit where you can locate your specs, circuit diagram, certification. The unit is going to be certified by the health department, and your certification can be located on that sticker. Okay, model will also be located on that same sticker for this unit. Okay, so this is going to be a demonstration on one of our brand new styles when it comes to glass door refrigerators. This is a 3 glass door unit. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll update more information regarding this exact unit, including the price. Now, if you have any other questions regarding this unit, you can also give us a call and we can help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.